Class 10 Mathematics. I am Prasad sir. Today I am giving you a project for mathematics. The topic is solution of equations by graphical method. So how can find the solution to equation? Describe the different conditions. We need to solve the equation and there are many methods to do so. Let us learn about some of them. First one is your graphical method. How can do the solve of the equations with the help of graph. So first of all, in your coordinate geometry as a part of drawing graphs, you have learned how to depict graph of equation in two variables. We can draw graph of equation describing many different conditions and them about their solutions. Let us draw the graphs for the equation showing the relation between the legs of cranes and deer, and for the equation showing the relation between the eyes. We will see if we can get solution of equation from the graph. So this is your equation, for example, and that is the 4x plus 2y. This equation 4x plus 2y is equal to 180. Now transfer to 4x on right hand side. So we get 2y is equal to 180 minus 4x. So we get y is equal to 2 को डिवाइड में भेज देंगे. So it is y is equal to 180 minus 4x and divided by 2. So it's your equation first. Now see the second equation. This is y is equal to 90 minus 2x. So first you form the table. Put the value of x, that is the 10, 20, 30, and make the table. And similarly put the second. Similarly for the second equation, 2x plus 2y is equal to 120. It is 2x plus 2y is equal to 120. So you can find the value of y. So 2y is equal to 120 minus 2x. And y is equal to this one, 120 minus 2x upon 2. Now come to this one equation. So we get equation, this one is y is equal to 60 minus x. Now form a table, put the value of x, 10, 20, 30 in this table. You have to see and put the values. You can put your own values also. Now plot the graph on x-axis and y-axis. This one is your graph. So put the value of first table and the second table on the x-axis and y-axis. The value of x put on x-axis and value of y put on y-axis and draw the graph. These are the coordinates. So you can draw on your copy. The graph is draw in your graph paper. Submit your graph paper in your project. Now example 5. So you have to see here, that is 10 students of class 10 took part of a quiz. The number of girls taking part in the quiz were 4 more than the boys. Find the number of girls and the number of boys who took part in the quiz. So this is your solution. So you can see here, suppose the number of boys is taking in quiz x and the girls was y. Now make the equation. So 10 is equal to x plus y. So x plus y is equal to 10. Here is y is equal to x plus 4. Both conditions are applied here and forming the two equations. Now we can put and draw graph with the help of table. So how can form the table? Put the value of x and get the value of y. Here is two table by putting the value of x, that is the 1, 2, 3. This is the value of x. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we get y values, that is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 and 4. Similarly, in the second equation, by putting the value of x, that is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and get the value of y 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now put on the graph. These points are put on the graph. This is your 1, 5, 2, 6. This point is 1, 5 and it is 2, 6 and it is 4, 8 and draw a line like this. And the point is 0, 10, 5, 5 and draw, and there is 3, 7. So you can draw also a line. They intersect at a point and this is the intersection point. And that is your answer in this intersection of point. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to also 7. It is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 7. So that is the solution of the equation. Thus, the number of boys is 3 and the number of girls is 7. That means we concluded that the intersection point of straight lines give the solution for the equations. So intersection points is the solution of the equation. Now come to the example 6. You can see here in example 6 what happened. In your example 6, Kavita purchased 1 pencil and 2 erasers, 4 rupees 4, and Savita bought 2 pencils and 4 erasers, 4 rupees 16. We can use this information to find the price paid by the Kavita and Savita for 1 pencil or 1 eraser. What is the value of 1 pencil and 1 eraser? Now form the equation. Form the equation with the help of this question. The first equation is this and it is x plus 2y equal to 4. Similarly, the second equation is forming by 2 into x plus 4 into y is equal to 16. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 16. So x plus 2y is equal to 4. Or we can find the value of y. So 2y is equal to 4x. It is looking like this, x plus 2y is equal to 4. So 2y is equal to 4 minus x. So y is equal to 4 minus x divided by 2. It is your equation. Now put the value of x, that is the 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And we can find the corresponding value of y. So we can form a table. So with the help of table, this is your table. In this table, the value of x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We get the value of y 2, 1.5, 1.5, 0, minus 0.5 and minus 1 also. For the second equation, this is 4x plus 2y. So you can say 4x plus, it is 2x plus 4y is equal to 16. So we get it is 4y is equal to 16 minus 2x. So y is equal to 16 minus 2x divided by 4. So 2 cancel out. So we get y is equal to 2 as a common. So 8 minus x divided by 2. So 2 cancel out. So we get this one. Y is equal to 8 minus x upon 2. Now we can form a table 2 with the help of this equation. So put the value of x as a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we get the value of y 4, 3.5, 3, 2.5, 2, 1.5 and 1. But you have to show all these value on your copy. In this your project you can put the value of x and get the value of y from the equation which is showing by you in your copy. Now plot the graph, x taking as a x-axis and y value taking as a y. So this one is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. For first line, that is the 2x plus 4y is equal to 16. The point is given as first point, second point, third point, fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on. And draw a line like this. Similarly, put the point here 0, this one, this, and this, and draw a line. Both lines are parallel. In this graph you have seen this line and this line, both lines are parallel, so though they never intersect to each other. That means we see that we are getting two parallel lines for equation. Then what will be the value of x and y? So there is no point of intersection. Therefore, two equations do not have unique solution. That means unique solution नहीं होगा इसका. This means that cost of pencil and erasers of Savita and Kavita are different. So there is no unique solution. आपका ग्राफिकल मेथड एंड हो रहा है. ये प्रोजेक्ट आप लोग बना करके तैयार रखेंगे और विद इन 1 वीक सबमिट करेंगे. मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने सभी साथियों को दे दें जिससे वो टाइम पर अपना प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट कर लें. विद इन 1 वीक आपको कंप्लीट करके इसको सबमिट भी करना है. सो विद इन टाइम you can submit all the projects. Thank you. Have a nice day.